you don't run, what happens? Oh, press the button. Oh, jump over the laser? Bro, that was way too close to me. I had to read it. Press the button. I pressed it. Race to end. I mean, race to the end. Ah! I thought I pressed it. Oh! Now it says reach the end. We won, guys. I pressed it. The button presser. The chosen one. I'll press the button. Be careful. I'm like the leader. Winners? What? How did someone already win? And they did the speed goal. This level is literally just big people. Well, we're big. Look how... Oh my god, we can jump high. Oh, now we're big. I mean, it is kind of a strategy, even though we're big. Because I have this animation. Oh my god, did you see it? Wait, when you jump, it does that because we jump so high. We did it. I did it. We had to do this hobby. Oh, if you reset, you don't get bigger. Or if you die. I don't want to do that. that person's still big. Let me press the button. Move. Well, no one can press it. Well, move. Please. Ah! No. Where are the rockets? Where are the rockets? They're coming from everywhere. This is kind of scary, guys. Oh my god, I see it. Someone died. Don't go! Well, oh my god, I'm glad I looked behind me right away. That one's not even going on the base. Where is it? Oh my god. I think I might win. I think I might remaining. So I might win? Oh my god. Oh my god, brother, chill. Brother! Brother! Well, I guess me and this person did. I pressed the button. No, this other dude did. I'm gonna stay away from the lightning. What? I didn't even touch it. Wait, can I dance right here? Well, can we still get in? I press that. Reach the top. Stand on the correct color. Wait, this is the right color. I'm all the way up here, bro. Yeah. Oh my god, I want the top of this. We can walk me. What? Oh my god, I almost lost. But I did it. Oh, this person was people under me. Find the what track pad? No, I don't want to. Wait, you don't even have to touch the pad. That's the thing. That's the thing. You don't even have to touch the pads. Oh, yeah, I pressed the button again. Wait, oh, you had to jump. So big. Wait, what? How did I I fell, land on this cloud. They still landed on this cloud. I pressed the button. I'm pressing the button, guys. What is happening? Hurry, reach the end. What do you mean? Oh my god, it's flooding. I jumped on the wall. Look at this tsunami. button. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next ones. Peace out.